I'm in this really old building. It's waiting to be demolished, and this camera shop has been really been ages. And all these cameras here are amazing. Check them out. Check out the vintage cameras. That's pretty amazing, guys. And my Nikon fans, I love Nikon. That's all these Hasselblads. Big 120 mm film cameras, and that's the Chinese name of the store. And the boss said he's going to retire when they take this place back. Here's all your Nikon, and there's a bling bling Nikon. Look at it, the gold one. Isn't that awesome? I just wanted to show you how cool this is, guys. Bye.